In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error you get when running the bypass command while installing Windows 11. You're getting this error because Microsoft has removed this functionality in the current version of Windows 11. So, to bypass this, you need to open the Windows registry and manually add the dword value instead of using the bypass.nro command. The second way is a new method to bypass and install Windows 11 without internet and a Microsoft Online account. As you can see, now you can continuing Windows 11 installation using a local account instead of an online Microsoft account. The next method will work in both Windows 11 Home and Pro editions. You need to add two dword values in the OOBE key in the registry. In some cases, in the command prompt window, you first need to navigate to OOBE folder. Then, run the bypass.nro command directly. If you're installing Windows 11 Pro Edition, at this step, select the Setup for Work or School instead of Setup for Personal Use option. In this screen, click on the Sign In Options link. Select Domain Join Instead option. As you can see, now you can continuing Windows 11 installation using a local account instead of an online Microsoft account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.